Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to find the perimeter of a right angled triangle in which there is only one side is given and rest of the two sides is m and n. M and n both belongs to set of positive integers, so they both positive. We have to find the value of m and the value of n, and at the end of the sum we will add all the three sides to find the perimeter. So we all know that by Pythagoras theorem n square is equal to m square plus 11 square. So this is by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So in the next step, shift this m square on left hand side. So this is n square minus m square is equal to 11 square. So this is our formula a square minus b square. So expand this left hand side. So this is n minus m, n plus m, because we know our formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So this is equal to 11 square is equal to 121. So the product of two factors is 121. So there are two cases, either n minus m, n plus m is equal to 1 times 121, or n minus m, n plus m is equal to 11 times 11. So in this case, n minus m is equal to 1, n plus m is equal to 121. So add these two equations to find the value of n. So this negative m plus positive m, they will cancel. So this is 2n is equal to 122. So n is equal to 61. Therefore, put this value of n in any of these two equations. So this is m is equal to 60. So in this case, n minus m is equal to 11, n plus m is equal to 11. So add these two equations to find the value of n. So this m will cancel. So 2n is equal to 22, n is equal to 11. Put this value of n in any of these two equations. Therefore, m is equal to 0. So in this case, the side of a triangle is 0. The side of a triangle cannot be 0. Anyway, they are both positive because m and n, they both belongs to set of positive integers. So this looks like the false case. Anyway, if you see these two equations, the difference of two numbers is 11 and the sum of two numbers is 11, which is not possible. So we will ignore this case. So we will only consider this case. So we got the value of n is equal to 61, m is equal to 60. So the perimeter is equal to 11 plus m plus n. So put the value of m and n. So this is 11 plus 60 plus 61. So perimeter is equal to, so add these all three numbers. So this is 132 units. So this is my final answer. I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching.